Hello beauty creators, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how I make my foundation rows, single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Let's start. For the single crochet foundation row I will just attach the yarn on my hook. I'll make a loop like so and attach it on my hook, and then I will chain 2, 1 and 2. Then I'm going to insert my hook in the second loop, in the second stitch from the hook, second chain that I've made, like so, and pull up a loop like so. And at this point I will have 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over and make a chain in the first loop only, and then yarn over and pull through both loops remaining on your hook. And you have your first chain and your first single crochet. And this is how I make this row on and on. So I will insert my hook in the base, but this time I have to make sure that I will grab both loops from the base, the whole V, both loops on my hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and chain 1 through the first loop, yarn over and chain through both, and pull up and finish your single crochet. And again, insert your hook in both loops on the base, pull up a loop, chain 1 through the first loop, yarn over and pull through both loops remaining, and so on. Insert your hook in the V created in the base, chain 1, and then yarn over and pull through both loops remaining to finish your single crochet. And this is how I start my single crochet foundation row, and go like this on and on, and this will create a beautiful edge and this is the front, the right side of the work, and this will be the wrong side of the work. And it's very tidy and nice and easy to make. Now for the half double foundation row, I'll grab another yarn. Where is that end? Okay, I'll find it eventually. And I will start almost the same. So I will just attach the yarn on my hook like so. Then I will start with a chain 3 this time. 1, 2 and 3. Now I will yarn over like so, and then I will insert the hook in the third chain from the hook, so in the first chain that I've made, and pull up a loop. I will chain 1 for my base through that loop, and then I will yarn over and pull through all those 3 loops that I have on my hook. Then again I will yarn over. Now I'm making my chain, go in the base through both of those loops, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and chain 1 through that loop to create the chain base, and then I will have my 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all, and again yarn over, insert the hook in the base of that first chain that you've made, yarn over and pull up a loop, finish your chain, your base chain, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And this is how I make my half double crochet foundation row. So I will work the foundation chain and the first row together, which is quite time saving and much easy to make. So this is how it looks, the half double crochet foundation row. This is the right side and this is the wrong side, of course. And now for the double crochet foundation row, it's quite similar with this too. I will just attach the yarn on my hook like so, and then I will chain 3 like I did for the half double crochet. I will yarn over, insert my hook in the 3rd loop from the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, chain 1 through that loop to create my chain, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, like I will do for a double crochet. So again, yarn over, then insert the hook in the base through both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and chain 1 through that loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2, pull through another 2. And this is my row of double crochet, which is quite very easy to make, and you will find that very useful. So yarn over, insert the hook in the chain that you've created, yeah, through both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop and chain 1 through that loop to create your next stitch, next base of the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through another 2, and so on. And this is how it looks like. And this is the wrong side. So this technique will help you to create the foundation chain and your first row in the same time. So of course, if you want to make a foundation treble crochet, that will be quite the same thing, but you will have to make adjustment for your stitch. In another tutorial I will show you that as well, but for now I think this is quite handy to know. Thank you for watching.